Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Serena. If you are new here, welcome. And if you are a returning visitor, hey girl, hey. So today, as you can tell by the title of the video, we are going to deep dive into this SEPHORIA goodie bag. Unfortunately, I went on day one and day one was canceled this year in New York City due to all the flooding, but we will get into that. But let's go ahead and jump into this haul. Okay, so as I mentioned on day, my friend and I, so let me back up. So my friend and I traveled up to New York to go to SEPHORIA in New York, in New York City. So we had a day one session like a morning session on day one. And so if you don't know how SEPHORIA works, there's 4 sessions across 2 days, so Friday and Saturday. The morning session is like 11 to 2, and then the evening session is 5 to 8, and that's for both days. So with our ticket, we had the gold key, which was a pretty penny. I think it was a little over $400. But the gold key, you get in 1 hour early and you get to shop all the brands, or go to all the different brands, take photos, get samples, and it comes with a nice goodie bag with up to $1,300 worth of stuff. So I was happy about that. However, we did get there around 10 o'clock. They let us in, and while we were standing in line in the building around like 10:30, they sent an email saying that SEPHORIA was canceled. And I actually have the email here. I'll put it on the screen and read it. So it says, hello, as you're all aware, New York City is experiencing some severe inclement weather. Safety and well-being of Sephora's employees, customers, brand partners, larger beauty, blah, 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 blah. Unfortunately, we must cancel session 1 of SEPHORIA. And then later that day, I think actually while we were still in the building, they sent an email and said all of day 1 sessions were canceled. I didn't know the rain was going to be that bad in New York City. I thought like maybe a little bit of drizzle. I didn't know there was a tropical storm. So I was like, I completely understand. Safety first. There were a few girls in line that were booing, and I was like, that's very, what are we doing here? So anyways, since we were already in the building, they were like, since you guys are here, we'll just go ahead and give you your goodie bags. So for the evening people, I think they're getting their bags mailed to them. I don't know how they're doing that. But since we were already in the building, they gave us our goodie bags. Listen, Sephora processed that refund already. So no hard feelings. They handled it as like best as they could. Literally, we're in the middle of a tropical storm. The subways were flooding. Streets were closed. My friend and I were walking to our Uber and a tree was on a car. Like, what could they really do? Got my goodie bag. Refund was processed in like 3 days. I'm happy. So let's go ahead and open this bag. Okay, in the goodie bag, like I said, worth up to $1,300 worth of stuff. Like, I'm just gonna show you how big this bag is. Oh, it was heavy, okay? So let's see, what should we start with? Just digging in it, I did notice it was like a lot of hair care products, but that's fine with me. Okay, and there were some full size and sample sizes as well. And then while we were standing in line, like just waiting to go in, and while they were telling us that things were going to be canceled, they did have some girls walking around, passing around little samples. So I have tons of samples in this bag. So first, I'm just gonna pull out stuff. I was gonna have this organized, but it's just a lot. So this is a full-size glow recipe. The watermelon dew niacinamide dew drops. I really like this stuff. I think I've had it once and just never purchased it again, but I really do like this, and I'm glad they gave this to us. I really like the lotion too, but that's more like a summertime thing, like the watermelon lotion. So we got this. They gave us, this is from Fable in Maine. It's Holly Roots pre-wash hair oil. So that'll be very nice to use. There we go. Okay. Ooh, yeah, see, a bunch of hair stuff already. This is Moroccan oil, the treatment. It is, what is this? Shampoo? I don't know. I guess it's just a treatment. I don't know. Is it shampoo? Sure. Yeah, let's go ahead and get the hair stuff out the way. So this is Amika. This is the Soul Food Nourishing Mask. I have always wanted to use this, so I am glad that they gave us this. The This is Skin Fix Barrier Plus. It's a triple lipid collagen activating serum. Again, I believe this is full size, and I'm just starting to hear more about this brand, so I am excited to try this out as well. Fenty Skin. This is the Cookies and Cream Detox Mask, and it looks exactly like cookies and cream, and I honestly should use this tonight when I take my makeup off, but literally, literally looks like cookies and cream. So cool. This Brazilian Bum Bum cream, I think I'm still using the last one that I got from like BeautyCon. So anytime I get Brazilian Bum Bum creams, like I just get them at these conventions. So love it. Love it, love it. This is the Innisfree Hydration Heroes with Green Tea Hydration, Hydration Heroes with Green Tea. And it's a face cleanser, hyaluronic acid toner, the serum, and then the moisturizer. So they gave us a nice little set. That's perfect. I think Innisfree is very underrated. And so to actually see them in the bag, I'm super excited. Next is, ooh, I love Laneige the Water Bank. This moisturizer right here, you guys, top tier. But they gave us the moisturizer. This is the toner, I believe, the serum, and then eye cream. But I'm telling you, this moisturizer right here, top tier. Top tier. Speaking of moisturizer, this is the Drunk Elephant Polypeptide Cream. Also love this one. Listen, they got some really good stuff in here. And so when we were like digging through the bags, I was like, I can't even be mad that this is canceled. Like at least they gave us like our bags. So I don't know, it's really good stuff. This is the brand, oh God, is it Saie? S-A-I-E. It's a glowy super gel. So it's a dewy illuminating fluid. What is that? So is it kind of like a primer or put it under your foundation? Let's see. Ooh. What is on my sweater? Oh, what? Ooh, that's really pretty. And the shade on this was Star Glow. Ooh, I like that. Okay. Yeah, that's really pretty. Freaking sweater. Yeah, I like that. Okay, next, listen. This smell, let me tell you, this smell right here, this is the Tom Ford oh God, I can't pronounce this. Soli, I don't know, y'all can read it. But it's the body oil. There we go. That body oil, like I need the perfume. I'm gonna wait to buy the perfume during the VIB sale, which I think comes back at the end of October. I'm gonna put it back here. Cause baby, the way this smells, it smells so good. I just wanna, so excited they gave this to us. And I was like, oh, we get the body oil? Sephora did their big ones. Next, we have the Margiela replica perfume. Oh, there's plastic on here. The little mini perfumes, which I was like, these sizes are so cute. And so they gave us Beach Walk, Jazz Club, Lazy Sunday Morning, I believe, By the Fireplace, and Bubble Bath. So I've had Bubble Bath and Jazz Club before. So I'm excited to try out these other ones. I still smell that Tom Ford. That's, oh my gosh. I wish y'all could smell through the camera. It smells so good. Next they gave us, this is K18. It's a leave-in molecular repair hair mask. I've seen a lot of this brand, but I don't know. I haven't really tried a lot of hair products, so they were weights. So that'll be really nice to try, see how like it works with my natural hair. My Girl Rare Beauty. This is the Dewy Liquid Blush, and this is the shade Happy. I think I may have this, but you can never have too many. There we go. So pretty little pink shade. Rare Beauty blush, again, top tier. And I love that they're giving out full sizes. Amazing. This is the Tower 28 Daily Rescue Facial Spray. Nice, nice. Tower 28 makes some really, really good lip glosses. I haven't tried anything else from them, but I am Super excited. Try that. We have, this is FanFest from Benefit. I believe this is mascara. Patrick Ta, what'd you give us, babes? Patrick Ta gave us a lamination brow gel in the shade Clear, which that makes sense, just to be safe. Oh, and I think it's just like a wand. Yeah. Ooh. I love I was literally so excited to meet Patrick Ta. My favorite person in the world right now, at least in the beauty industry. The rain just, nope, canceled it. Anyways, this is NARS and the shade is Thunder Kiss. It's the Power Matte Lipstick. Oof. I love the packaging. And shade right here. That's a really nice like mauve-y color, like with a brown lip liner. That'll be super cute for the fall time. Okay, NARS. And I like that they're giving products that I normally like wouldn't gravitate towards. So it's like good to, you know, you can try things that you normally wouldn't pick up. Kosas Babes gave us a Plump and Juicy Lip Collagen Booster. And this is Clear as well. Okay, ooh, I didn't even know they made lip products. This light is so bright. It's like we're literally still going. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Dreams Luxury Palette. And oh, I think it's, yeah, just literally Pillow Talk Dreams. Let me see. Okay, it's these little small ones. Oh, I think I have this. But I really do, yeah, I think I do have this one. But these are like the perfect, at first I thought like one of these shades would be a little too ashy, but these are literally the like amazing on any skin tone. Miss Charlotte Tilbury knows how to make a palette. This is the Summer Fridays CC Me Serum. I believe this is a brightening. This is like their vitamin C serum kind of. Yes, it is. Love it, love it, love it. This is from Briogeo, is that the name? Briogeo. It's a Scalp Revival, a charcoal and tea tree buildup detox spray. So I'm saying they gave us a ton of hair care products. I know for sure we had like a giant like Pattern Beauty like curl cream, and I gave it to another guy. We kind of like swapped items because I was like, I don't use it, and it said it wasn't for like my hair texture. So I was like, and he was like raving about it. I was like, oh girl, take it then. This is the Skin Barrier Moisturizing Cream from Dr. Jart. I have used this before. Another great, amazing product. This is, oh, open, from Ceremonia, and it is a Guava Rescue Spray. Oh, it's for your hair. Spray throughout damp hair, focusing on midsections and ends, avoiding the scalp. Oh, okay. Because I definitely would have thought this was a setting spray. Okay, I promise we're almost done, y'all. This bag is, we're getting low now. So this is from Function of Beauty. It's the Wavy Hair Recovery Conditioner Mask. This little baby one. Listen, Sephora looked out. This is the Tatcha Indigo Overnight Repair. I never used an overnight mask from Tatcha, but I've definitely used the moisturizer and like the exfoliating cleanser, and I really like that. So love it. Miss Natasha Denona, the Love Face palette. It's an eye and cheek essential palette. So let's go ahead and check that out. Oh, so pretty. So we have a cream blush, and I'm assuming a highlighter, and then for your eyes down below. That's so pretty. Natasha Denona always has super cute palettes, and then this is like covers the blush and the highlighter. So cute. Okay, we just have a few things left and then a ton of samples. Okay, this is from Danessa Myricks Beauty. I was also really excited to meet her too, like, just FOMO, it's okay. But this is the Cushion Chromes. If I can open this. I don't know if there's a name. Let's see. The Lightwork Volume I Am Palette. So I got I Am Powerful. Ooh, that's really cute. So it looks like a purple, but like on camera it looks like green. So let me swatch it for y'all real quick. So this is it on my finger, like purple, right? And then on my hand, oh no, it's still purple, but it's like a nice like shimmer metallic. Love it. Oh, and then when I just rubbed it in, hold on, can y'all see that? Oh, you probably can't. Oh, just know that it's pretty. Okay. Next, oh, actually that may be the last thing. No, that's the last thing, because then the rest is all these samples. So they gave out these Sunday Riley bags, and I believe in here, like I literally put all the samples in here. Actually, no, they gave us this, yeah, Danessa Myricks creams. This is the Gold Mine shade. I really like those. I have the black one, and it's so pigmented. They gave us YSL Libre. The Lancome Idol Lash Vitalizing Lift Mascara. Pat McGrath, babes. The Longwear Primer in the shade Clear. I know they gave us a Kilian travel spray, and I think I've used it already, so it's not in the bag. More mascara. This is from Sephora. It's the Size Up Volume Extra Large mascara. And then, oh, for the Sunday Rileys, they gave us this little vitamin C brightening serum. And I think that's everything. Oh no, see, here's the more bags with like literally all the Biossance samples. And they gave us the Kayali and the the scent's vanilla. They gave us like a 3-pack, and 3 or 4, and I smelled the other ones, and I was like, I'm not really huge on that. So that's also who our master class, like that we booked, that we were gonna see. So the thing about SEPHORIA too is like when you booked your session, like you booked it for what master class you wanted to see. And so our master class was gonna be with Mona Katan for Kayali, and we were kind of hoping we would get some perfume. But you know, everything doesn't work out. So that is going to complete my SEPHORIA haul. Anybody who went on day 2, please let me know how it was, or if you were a part of the madness on day 1. Also, please trauma bond with me down in the comments. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.